It's the best one you've ever done.
Yeah.
It is.
It is. It's
You
really
gotta
good.
stay still.
From behind the backstop, I can hear my daddy shout, you better choke a ball in that bat, son, cause you'll never hit one out. And his whistle filled my ears and I'm thrown out on the slide. Well, you're effing blind. He missed him by a mile. Daddy Harry, don't go and get shot. There's a moving. I don't want you shooting no one. You're turning 72. It's time to just enjoy the show. Oh no, that look. I think he's gonna blow. Now, when you see his headlights flashing and you hear that motor roar, you better put it into gear, son. The pedal to the floor. Tell the kids all in the back they better cover up their eyes, cause his looks will give them nightmares and that finger's gonna fly. Daddy Harry, this is coming from your son. Put a friggin' shirt on. Quit fighting everyone. Turn 72. It's time to cover up that bush. Oh no, he done just drop kick me in the bush. Seriously. My daddy's just about the nicest guy you'll ever meet. I just wouldn't make him mad or you'll be lying in the street. He thinks he's 6'4", but he is really 5'3". But his gun's a 45 and that's all you're gonna see.